Hello guys, coming to Nifty. In yesterday's video I was speaking about there was a down spike in the last 45 minutes, and if at all prices opens below this spike, or if at all prices closes below this spike in the first 30 minutes, there is a good possibility prices will go for the blue band at 23,675. This is what I was speaking. Today the prices have opened inside the value area because there is a strong value, but then in the first 15 to 30 minutes itself, prices have closed outside the spike, indicating sellers have taken control. And once the prices sustains below this value area, and there is a acceptance here, indicating prices will go for this. At the same time, if you look at as the price is making lower low in order flow around 50-day moving average, there is a strong 1.2k buyer. Think about this like this, guys. Say I'm a seller, I want to push the markets downside, so I have 1.2k lot to sell, so I shorted them, but then whatever I have shorted, it has been bought by some big buyers. I have only 1.2 thousand lots, but this buyer, whoever was there around this lows, he may have more buying power than my selling power. So what happens, obviously I'll be unwinding. So that is what happened here. For tomorrow, what you should be looking at, tomorrow again RBI repo rate announcement will be there, so there could be a strong volatility. And as per market profile, there is a strong B profile, small letter B. So this B profile indicates there is a long unwinding. So whenever you see this long unwinding till the prices stays below this single print area and this value area at 23,800 levels, it is going to be a sell on raise, and there is a poor low here. So with this poor low, because there is a acceptance inside the value area of Tuesday, likely prices will go down to this point 23,500 levels and 23,350 levels, and lower levels is also very much possible in a couple of days. So for any kind of up move, again let me tell you, it's least likely, but for confident up move, Nifty needs to sustain about 24,300 to 400 levels. This is where strong previous high was there. So unless Nifty sustains above this level, it is going to be a sell on raise. This is with Nifty, guys. Coming to Bank Nifty, what I was speaking yesterday is there is a weak low. This might get tested out, and because of there is a strong balance, any gap up or gap down, try to trade towards this strong value. So if you look at today, that is what exactly happened. So you should have traded as the prices comes down to clear this weak low at yesterday low. You should have bought it, and let's say if the prices would have gone upside, the sellers whoever are there around these levels, they will short it again. And I was also pointing out there is going to be a sideways market, and to escape this strong value yesterday, there has to be a very strong move, which is less likely. So if you look at today, the opening itself is outside the value area. At the same time, it cleared the poor high from yesterday and then immediately closed outside, and there is a failed auction at 11:15. With this failed auction, it has cleared the yesterday's weak low, and that indicated there some strong buyer is there around this point. So if you look at here, strong buying imbalances were there that acted as a good support here. 179.58, 458.76, strong buying imbalance are there. So around 12:45 also, as there was a pullback towards this buying imbalance, it gave good support, and then lately prices got attracted towards the yesterday's value area high, which is around 50,650 levels. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking in Bank Nifty is that 50,800 is going to be very crucial. If at all Bank Nifty future sustains this 50,800 levels on 30 minutes to 1 hour, there is a possibility it might test 51,000 levels, but at the same time 51,000 to 51,200 is where strong buying has come. So for further up move, again Bank Nifty futures needs to sustain above 51,200 levels. Unless that happens, again sellers will try to take control. So if you look at today, again the value itself is lower low with a strong PPOC at 50,500 levels. At the same time, there is a failed auction. So these failed auctions, they get revisited within 3 to 5 days. If at all there is going to be a slight negativity after tomorrow's RBI event, there is a good possibility again sellers will try to take control. So these event days, they form the good bottoms or topping out of the markets. For any kind of shorts, guys, look for 50,200 levels towards 50,066 levels and 49,920 levels. This is with Bank Nifty, guys. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, just go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.